students, next week is going to be our annual Jump-a-thon, okay? We do the Jump-a-thon every year to learn about how to take care of our heart and to celebrate exercising our heart. Remember, to get your heart stronger, you have to exercise it by getting it beating fast for 20 minutes or more. Now, this year's Jump-a-thon is virtual, and I will not be able to bring out all of our school's jump ropes and have you choose. So, in this video, we're going to talk about what to do if you do not have a jump rope in your house, okay? Because you don't have to go out and buy a jump rope just for this Jump-a-thon. In this video, we're going to talk about what you might have in your house that would work as a jump rope. Now, if you already have a jump rope, you don't have to watch this video, but you can always learn to make your own jump rope as well. The first thing to think about when making your own jump rope is be creative, okay? Look around your house and see what could maybe work as a jump rope. What I have in my house might be different from what you have in your house, okay? So really have an open mind and be creative. This is kind of like an art project, something you're figuring out. So I've looked around my house and I found some things that could work for me. So I'll go over those in this video. But if you don't have any of those things, that's okay. Look around your house and see what you might have. So one thing that I found in my house was belts. Belts can definitely work as a jump rope. One thing you could do is take two belts, tie them in a knot, and then you have a jump rope. Now remember, for best jump rope length, you want it to go to your shoulders, okay? You want to go to your shoulders. So you step on it in the middle, 2 feet, and it should go to your shoulders. So this is a little short for me. So I might need to add one more belt, okay? Now, if it's too hard to tie the belts, you can always string the belt through one of the hoops. So you know when you do a belt. Now this one might be hard, but what I could do, and this is where being creative is really important, is I could put this through the loop, okay? And then this belt seems easier to tie, and I tie a knot. Also, one thing I noticed in my house is I have a lot of rubber bands. So you can always use a rubber band to fasten the two together. So let's see. Now I have 3 belts. Let's see if this will work for me. Yeah, this is good. This is a good size for me. And you can try it out and see. Okay, I don't have that much space where I am right now to try it out, but you can try to see, does it work? Okay, so using belts is one option. Another thing I found in my house was tights, okay, leggings. And with leggings, you can just tie them and ta-da! You have a long rope that could be a jump rope. Now again, you can step on it, and this is pretty good for my height. And you can try it out. It might take a little practice because these are new, they're different than normal jump ropes. I need to wrap mine around my hands. Jump, jump, jump. Okay, so leggings, tight, stretchy pants. Makes a perfect jump rope. Okay, another idea. I have in my house a lot of bandanas. So you could tie some bandanas together. Remember, if you have a rubber band, you can always use the rubber band to help tie the bandanas together. So let's see, I tied 3 bandanas together. That's not really enough for me. That's a little short. Might work for you. I'm going to grab another bandana. But I do not have another bandana in my house, but I have a cloth napkin. That could work. Okay, let's see. Now I have a cloth napkin. I have a bandana. It's still a little short. So what I could do is use a belt. If you only have one belt, you could, with the belt, add a belt. Okay, and then that would be a little longer. So now I have a bandana and a belt and a napkin. And that looks pretty good to me. So I could try jump. Jump. Now, the most important thing when making your own jump rope is be creative, okay? So, yeah, it might not look like a normal jump rope, but as long as you can jump over it, it works, okay? So you can tie lots of things together. Some other things I thought of, I have some long socks. You can always tie some socks together. This might actually be better with a rubber band. Okay, then, remember I could add a belt, okay? I also have some scrunchies in my house, and you could kind of tie the scrunchies in a knot. And if you see, it's kind of making kind of like a rope. Now, I don't have enough scrunchies to use it as a whole jump rope, but remember, then you could add maybe only 1 pair of leggings or tights. You add it to your leggings. And now, maybe you don't need a second pair of leggings. I could just use 1 pair of leggings because I have this scrunchy rope. So again, if you do not have a jump rope, that's okay. You can make your own jump rope for a jump-a-thon. Look around your house. See what you have. Okay? Your house, you might have things that are different from me. If you have a dog leash might be perfect. If you have some thick rope just hanging around, maybe you use it to tie something up, a thick rope would work. Okay? The most important thing is just open your mind, be creative, and try to find something that could work as a jump rope. Hopefully you found this helpful, and remember our jump-a-thon is next week. So now's the time to start making your jump rope. Once you've made your jump rope, click on one of the jump rope videos and start using it and see, are you getting your heart stronger? Hopefully you found this video helpful. And thanks for watching. Bye.